Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. In the previous video you saw me remove the whole front end, clean up the scrapes on the swing arm and the fork. If you haven't seen that, make sure to check it out. And with that being said, I have received the triple clamp back from the welder. As you can see, it looks pretty good, so let's go ahead and install it. Alright guys, now that I have finished putting in the triple clamp, let's go ahead and put in the forks. Alright guys, now that we have the forks in, I haven't aligned them just yet, but I did want to let you know that I did manage to find a handle. The guy took off all the standard accessories and turned his bike into a track bike, so thanks a lot for that. Here's the old handle, and you can see where it's bent over there. You can actually see where it's bent. The camera doesn't want to focus, but yeah. Let's go ahead and install that one. Just a little tip for you guys, I like putting on Loctite on my nuts and bolts to make sure nothing vibrates off while I'm riding. And also I use the blue one for medium strength so that when I need to remove them, it won't be that difficult to remove next time. Alright guys, now that we have the treble clamp, the top yoke, the forks and the handlebars mounted, let's go ahead and start aligning. Alright guys, looks like I misplaced one of these bolts. They go right over there into the handlebar. And so luckily I know a guy that has a lot of BMW spares, so while I'm there I'm gonna see if I can find one of these headlights. So I'll have to catch you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, it is the next day here and I actually managed to find one of these bolts so we can actually go ahead and finish aligning the whole front end. But before we get to that, I did manage to find a headlight. It's not a brand new headlight, but let me show you guys how it looks. So this is the headlight. It's not a new headlight, it actually came off of a fallen motorcycle. It's a cracked over here and my headlight lens is cracked over here. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm actually going to try and merge this front lens with my back cover and see if that's going to work out. I'm not sure how that's going to work, but we'll save that for another video. So for now, let's go ahead and finish aligning the front end. Alright guys, so now that I have the whole front end connected and aligned perfectly, let's go ahead and move on to the back and get that wheel connected. I do however have the old tires on, but don't worry, we have a new pair on the way. Remember guys, when you're using previous generation wheels, you're going to have to use your own spacers, your own axle nut, and your own sprockets. Alright guys, so I managed to put together the whole front end and the back wheel, clean up the axle and the washer, and align everything perfectly. So before I wrap up this video, I did want to let you guys know that the next video is only going to come in about a week and a half, and the reason for that is I'm moving to a new location, to a new house where I can rebuild the motorcycles from home, because at the moment I'm driving out to a garage and it's costing me a lot of money on gas. In the next video, you'll see me service the bike, change the chain and change the tires. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe, put on those post notifications so that you're notified when I upload a new video. And also guys, make sure to follow me on Instagram so that you can get an inside scoop before YouTube. Peace out.